What's good? What's good, everybody? Hope you guys are chilling. So pretty much we're gonna break down our second trade with our FTMO 200k. So this is a live trade setup. Pretty much you guys can see here that it's live. There's no bar replay, like there's nothing. This is live price action. You could actually see it moving. So pretty much I'm gonna literally give you guys the reasoning why I went behind this trade, and I'm gonna give you my process so far. It's like a little vlog slash video on how my FTMO is going. I'm gonna give you guys the ins and outs of everything. So this is my 200k FTMO challenge account. I started it the 22nd. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tip because I know you guys see three trading days. So pretty much as soon as I take the first trade on my account, every single day after that, even though I don't have a trade, I just throw in a 0.01 to pretty much pass it faster. Let me see where it is right here. So just to pass it faster, because let's say I do pass the trade, I do pass the challenge in this trade right here, it's, you know, then I have to then do the 0.01, so I do the minimum of the 10 trading days. So that's like a little tip on how to pass the FTMO faster. It's pretty simple. Just as soon as you take your first trade, do this after. My first trade obviously was loss. I usually risk from 1 to 1.5% of my trades, and I always like taking 1.5 on the first trade of the challenge. You know, started strong, but clearly I was wrong. So, and this is like probably like 1.6% because I think I was off by like 3-4 pips, so it ended up charging me a little bit more, but it is what it is. So currently down about 1.5. We have a solid, another solid 20 days left, more than enough time to pass this. So let's give you guys the rundown and the breakdown on why I'm taking this trade short. So pretty much I'm a swing trader, like I said earlier. So starting off on the weekly time frame, right? So these were all the confluences why I went short. So I'll be getting into details now, right? So let's actually go down to the daily. So you can actually very clearly tell that the daily here is bearish, right? You can see the shift in structure from when price was bullish to pretty much how when price now is basically trending bearish, right? So you have all of this structure, then you have this break, this low, and we're anticipating a lower high to previous support acting as resistance, as well with our daily EMA. So this EMA, as you can tell, when it's bullish, it's support. What a coincidence, now it's breaking structure, as well as the EMA acting both as resistance. This is the 50 EMA for any of you guys that want to use it. I really like it. It works good on all time frames. So pretty much yesterday we had a very clean closure, very clean daily rejection candle from the 8, from the EMA, from our area of interest, structure, fib, all that good stuff. And then I personally don't go short until either 2 or 3 time frames are in sync, meaning weekly, daily, or 4 hour, obviously the bigger time frame. So here you guys can pretty cleanly tell that the 4 hour had the shift, because this daily pullback here, this daily pullback has structure, whether it's the 4 hour, 1 hour, or whatever the case is. And you can very clearly tell the 4 hour structure is high, low, high, and then this lower low breaking the structure, this higher low 4 hour structure. So I'm anticipating a pullback. I would have actually liked for this to come back a lot deeper to pretty much either this left shoulder to create a right shoulder and reject this EMA along with our psychological level of 13800. But I got my entry signal before that, so I'm going to explain to you why. So very cleanly we had that, and then pretty much you go down to the 1 hour, and you can tell how the 1 hour is literally creating lows, highs, and then this nice lower low under all of these lows. Now another lower high, rejection from that EMA. Again, you can tell the EMA when it's bullish, it's above, and then when it's bearish, it's under. And then pretty much my entry signal was this 30 minutes evening star, rejection from EMA, bearish structure. So we are very much bearish. Low, high, low, high, right here, high, low, high. Now I'm anticipating a bigger leg down. So let's see how this plays out. So these are all the reasons why I went short. Where is it? Don't tell me to delete it. Whatever, I have a screenshot right here. I always take screenshots of before and after my trades. So you have daily support acting resistance, support, resistance, fib 78.6 right here, rejection from the 4-hour EMA, have to go down, rejection from psychological level 13800, psychological level 13800, beautiful rejection. Break of structure, you guys saw it, mini head and shoulders, and entry signal is my 30-minute. So this right here, I'm painting the picture on why this trade has a higher probability, because then this is all a game of probabilities. We don't know if this is going to go up or down, but it has a higher probability of taking down than up from here. So I'm very comfortable with this trade. Again, I did 1.5 risk on this trade. That's relatively high for me. I usually do, I'm very comfortable with 1%, but I really like it. I really like how this candlestick engulfed. I really like how this candlestick closed under. So pretty much it is what it is. So I'm going to be doing a little